What if I told you that in just 10 days, you could revolutionize your cleaning company and your life? Think it's too good to be true? Welcome to the 10-Day Cleaning Company, the new course that is redefining the cleaning industry, where you will learn the latest automations plus the power of AI that's turbocharging cleaning businesses like never before. I'm Cristobal Mondragon, the owner behind the multi-million-dollar Queen Bee cleaning service, and today I'm opening my vault of knowledge just for you. What took me years to build, you can now achieve it in months, and all it takes is this and an internet connection. Trade the outdated processes, apply my proven system, and take full control of your cleaning company. The price? Less than a night out. And with our 10-day guarantee, there is nothing to lose. Right now, you have two choices. Choice number one, you can try to succeed in the cleaning business on your own, but you probably make a lot of mistakes and you're gonna spend more money than is needed. Or choice number two, the second choice is to take the easier, faster path. I've laid it out for you in a simple, easy to follow system. Make the logical choice and enroll today for a lifetime access. If you don't like anything in the program, just shoot me a quick message within 10 days of your purchase and I'll refund you every last penny. Don't wait for success to find you. Click the link below and let's accelerate your cleaning company like never before.